Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Sharma from Problem Solutions India Private Limited. Today we will discuss top 5 major problems of plastic industries. Plastic part manufacturers are facing global competition and are looking to the tool design through the production process to reduce tool cost, reduce tool design through manufacturing lead time, and improve product quality. Tool makers of all sizes are driven by three things: better, faster, and cheaper. The, the major issue in the plastic industry is how we can survive in the multi-CAD world. We are getting the data from different sources. The data is not parametric. How to manage that data? So there is the way synchronous modeling by which you can easily create any type of change. In the mold industry, we are getting the many ECNs. So we can make changes as per the requirement very easily, even in imported data. This phase I can shift from here to here. It will also applies and accommodate the radius change, blend radius. The second major problem is that speed design of plastic component. How to create fast and flexible 3D design. I can put in the library, and whenever I will call the part from the library, it will ask the parameters in a simple template. So just feed the parameters and we will get the desired shape of the geometry by the reuse library. So I already created the library. So here it is available in the template format. I can define the location and the part will be placed automatically. The third major problem that how we can predict the short, sink mark, weld line, air traps, how we can check the molding part feasibility or manufacturability, and how to get the exact tooling cost. Sometimes we overcoat, sometimes we undercoat. So it is a major impact on our business. So there is a solution by NX EasyFill. You can predict all the errors. It will help designers efficiently achieve higher quality and lower cost. We can get, there are two gates. How much is the filling from another gate? Total 10 parameters. How much time this part will take to fill inside the mold. So we can understand the plastic flow behavior. And the second major problem that how to automate the machining process. The holes, slots, pockets, and automatically create the program. So by this method you can save 50 to 60% time. And you can create the program very fast in a few clicks. And the roughing technology is there. If you are taking 2 hours to rough a geometry, rough a part, by this technology you can make roughing within 30 minutes. The last that my one designer is designing the mold by his own way, and other designers also doing extend the core and cavity. The step-by-step process, and then we can call Moldbase from the library. It supports all global standards: Muisberger, Futwa, Hasco. Thank you.